3 years ago, we invented SwitchBot because we believe non-smart things can be smart with simple setup. With a 3-second installation, we make your light switch smart. We make your coffee machine smart, even your cat feeder. SwitchBot makes the non-smart smart. Now, it is time to make your curtain smart, and here is why. Let's say you're enjoying a good movie on a lazy weekend afternoon. Look at that annoying glare. And it's always you who have to get up and deal with it. You finally decide to invest a fortune on a motorized curtain, only to find out that the quick start guide isn't so quick after all. Then you notice the fine print that says a power socket is required. The king of retrofit is back again, introducing the SwitchBot Curtain, a revolutionary wireless robot that makes your curtain smart in seconds. With SwitchBot Curtain, now you can wake up naturally to sunshine and the beautiful scenery outside your window, plus the aroma of freshly brewed coffee. Recharge with a power nap during the day. Use your voice to stop the annoying glares from ruining your lazy afternoon movie. Go on a business trip without having to worry about your place. Your curtain helps to keep the bad guys away. Maintain a healthy sleep cycle with the scheduled notifications from the SwitchBot Curtain. We believe a smart home should be simple to set up. We designed the SwitchBot Curtain to retrofit all types of curtain easily with sophisticated mechanism from the inside. So for you, the installation is so simple. It only takes a few seconds. And it's wireless. We also believe the smart home lifestyle should incorporate energy saving and sustainability. A sunlight sensor is embedded to keep the room cool while saving energy. With the add-on solar panel, you'll never have to worry about charging. Even your curtain cares about sustainability. Your curtain is fully automated through the day with scheduled actions. Simply set and forget. Even the classic manual control becomes smarter with the Touch and Go feature. SwitchBot Curtain supports Google Home, Alexa, Siri, and IFTTT with the hub. It took us 2 years to develop, craft, and test tirelessly. We tried and tested thousands of rods and rails. Find every possible way to stress test it. Like this, and even this. It has been 3 years since our first Kickstarter project, and we have not let you down by shipping on time. We cannot grow without our community all around the world. With lots of valuable feedback, we listen, we fix, we iterate. And finally, we are here. The SwitchBot Curtain is ready for production, and we need your support to bring this smart home innovation to life. SwitchBot Curtain. Make your curtain smart in seconds.